candle some eggs, and we're going to bring you along, and we're going to candle these eggs. It was a special order hatch that we had for somebody. So right now we have our Magic Fly candler, and we're right now in our downstairs bathroom because it can get really dark. So
yeah, we don't have any windows in here.
right, so we're going to turn off the light, and hopefully
You'll be able to see
you'll be
it.
able to see it.
And I do this pretty quick. A lot of people are like worried when they take their eggs out of the incubator to candle them that they're going to get too cold. You've got plenty of time. However, I have my own way of doing it, and you'll see what that is here in just a second. Okay, now I just want to place the egg on here. You can see that it has an air cell. I'll just bring it up here so that, don't know if you can see the veining. Brought that up here just in case you can. We'll put that back, and then we're going to go. Let's just go along, do my thing here. When I get to one that is not growing, you'll be able to see it right away. That one. That's a glowing egg. That one did not develop. This one didn't even start. Let me show it to you from different angles. That doesn't even... See that egg? That's a bad egg. So we'll stick that over here. And let's just continue. I'm going to go, and if there's a bad one, John's going to take it out. This one. There's another one right there. This one. This one. So, lights back on. So out of 59 eggs, this rack holds 59, we have 5 that didn't start. And what I do from there is I bring them over here. Bring them over here, and I just take them out and just lay them in the pot, in the pan, in the hatch tray. And after I get so many in here, I won't be able to do this. I'll have to just put them in from the sink over here. I'm going to go again, this time in real time. I'm not going to slow down. That's a bad one. Can you get it? That one. And that one.
This one?
Mm-hmm. That one. That one's clear. And this one looks like maybe a starter. No, there's a bird in there. There is veining. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see him moving. Lights on. Another 5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, another 5 out of there. Rolling these eggs like this doesn't hurt them at all. I think we can get them all in one. We can get them all in one hatch tray because this is half.
Yep.
Anyway, here it is. Okay, now what I was looking for is I had an accident. I sat the camera down and this is what happened. Fell over. It fell over and cracked that egg. And we are so far along and that membrane is not cracked. I'm going to give this egg a chance and we're going to put him in here. John's going to take them in and then we'll go over some numbers with you. Open the incubator. Okay. Now they are in, and they are on what's called lockdown right now. And we will not open that incubator for 48 hours after that first chick hatches. Now, this card right here, this is a nice little rack card that we put in every box of eggs that we ship. And it gives you all kinds of instructions and tips. And one of them is how to tell fertility rate versus the hatch rate. Now we started with how many eggs?
236.
Started with 236 eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get the calculator up here. 236 eggs. So with that being said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 21 eggs that didn't make it, that were clear. So we're going to say that they were not fertilized. So you're going to take that and subtract 21. So 236 subtract 21 is 215. Now you're going to take that 215, divide that number by what you started with, which was 236. And you get 0.91. So now multiply that by 100. That makes our fertility rate here on the farm 91.10%. Now, as we figure the hatch rate when these guys come out, what you'll be doing is you'll start with the amount of eggs that are in there now, which is, hey, John's gonna figure it out for me real quick because I'm not doing math real quick in my head right now.
215.
So we have 215 eggs. So we'll do that same math again, only we'll start with the number of 215 because that was the fertilized eggs that went into the incubator that were growing. So that's it for today. That's how we candle eggs, and that's how we figure our fertility rate and hatch rates.
So we'll see you all
See you later.
later.